With the name of Allah Almighty. Waqf. Topic Mutawali. Question 14. Who may be appointed Mutawali of Waqf property? Waqf property का Mutawali कौन हो सकता है? Mutawali mean caretaker, manager of property, Waqf property. What are his rights and duties? Mutawali की क्या rights हैं, क्या duties हैं? 2013. Discuss the powers and duties of Mutawali. Mutawali की powers लिखिए, duties बताइए. 13-14. Define Mutawali who are incompetent to be Mutawali. Mutawali के बारे में बताइए और कौन से लोग हैं जो Mutawali के अहल नहीं हैं या अहल हैं. 2013. This is your host again, Advocate M.K. Bhutta. For complete audio lecture and notes, you can contact me on my WhatsApp number 03334655 Answer. Mutawali is manager of the Waqf property. Mutawali